Termites often tunnel around treated zones, so targeted tactics are required to intercept and retreat diverted foragers. Post-construction termite treatment should start with a thorough inspection that maps visible mud tubes, wood contact points, and soil moisture gradients. Expand the treated perimeter by trenching and applying termiticide in a continuous band at least 12 inches beyond observed tunneling, making sure to treat under slabs and around utility penetrations where possible. Install additional monitoring stations and bait stations along likely diversion pathways such as foundation edges, crawlspace piers, and landscape timbers, and check them on a monthly schedule until activity ceases. Use baiting systems to intercept diverted foragers by placing slow-acting toxicants in stations where increased traffic is detected so the active colony can be affected rather than just the foragers. If retreating with a liquid product, mix and apply exactly to label rates, maintain continuous treated soil contact, and avoid over-dilution when deep injections are used in backfill voids. Finally, locate and correct moisture sources like plumbing leaks, gutter problems, and poor grading because reducing moisture removes attractive conditions and limits termite persistence. Common mistakes begin with treating only obvious tubes without extending the barrier, which lets colonies simply reroute. The fix is to expand the treated perimeter and treat probable diversion paths. Another issue is relying solely on liquid treatment when foragers bypass treated soil. Adding bait stations in the diversion corridors and monitoring them monthly addresses that gap. A third problem is ignoring moisture that draws termites to a structure. Locate leaks, correct drainage, and replace wet wood so the habitat becomes less favorable and treatment remains effective. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion space where we and other members share field experiences about termite avoidance and retreatment tactics. We help contractors find work and homeowners compare approaches while learning practical steps to protect their properties.